20 fascinating facts you should know about Alaska. Alaska, the 49th state of the United States, is a land of extremes, awe-inspiring natural beauty, and rich cultural heritage. From towering glaciers and vast tundra landscapes to unique wildlife and indigenous traditions, Alaska offers an experience like no other. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or just curious about the northernmost state in America, these 20 fascinating facts about Alaska will reveal why it's one of the most extraordinary places on Earth. 1. Alaska is the largest state in the U.S., covering over 663,000 square miles. Alaska is by far the largest U.S. state, more than twice the size of Texas. It spans from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Pacific Ocean in the south, and from Canada on the east to the Bering Sea in the west. Despite its size, it's one of the least densely populated states. 2. It has more coastline than all other U.S. states combined. Alaska's coastline is a staggering 54,563 kilometers long, longer than the entire coastline of the rest of the United States combined. This includes its rugged mainland and countless islands, making it a paradise for marine wildlife and water-based adventures. 3. Home to North America's tallest peak. Denali, formerly known as Mount McKinley, stands at 6,190 meters and is the tallest mountain in North America. Located in Denali National Park, this massive peak is a major draw for climbers, adventurers, and photographers from around the world. 4. Alaska was purchased from Russia. In 1867, the United States purchased Alaska from the Russian Empire for $7.2 million, a deal often ridiculed at the time and nicknamed Seward's Folly after Secretary of State William H. Seward. Today, that purchase is considered one of the most strategic real estate deals in history. 5. Alaska has more than 3 million lakes. Yes, you hear that correctly. Alaska is home to over 3 million lakes, including Lake Iliamna, the largest in the state. These freshwater bodies are vital ecosystems, fishing grounds, and sources of drinking water. 6. You can experience 24 hours of sunlight in summer. Due to its location near the Arctic Circle, parts of Alaska, especially places like Barrow, experience the midnight sun. This phenomenon means the sun doesn't set for weeks during the summer, creating endless daylight that locals and tourists alike use for outdoor adventures. 7. Alaska also has long, dark winters. On the flip side, winter in northern Alaska can bring weeks or even months of darkness, known as polar night. This extreme seasonal contrast influences everything from mood and lifestyle to cultural traditions and sleep cycles. 8. It's one of the best places to see the northern lights. Alaska offers some of the most reliable views of the aurora borealis in the world. The lights are typically visible from late August to early April, especially in Fairbanks and farther north. 9. Alaska is a hotspot for earthquakes. Alaska experiences more earthquakes than any other U.S. state, thousands every year. It lies along the Pacific Ring of Fire, a region of high seismic activity. The 1964 Good Friday earthquake, measuring 9.2 magnitude, remains the most powerful recorded in North American history. 10. It has 100,000 plus glaciers. Alaska is home to over 100,000 glaciers, covering around 5% of the state. The Mendenhall Glacier near Juneau and the Columbia Glacier near Valdez are two of the most accessible and stunning examples. 11. Alaska has no state sales tax. Alaska doesn't have a statewide sales tax, and some municipalities don't have any local sales tax either. This, combined with no personal state income tax, offers a unique financial advantage for residents. It's rich in natural resources. Alaska is a powerhouse of natural resources, producing vast quantities of oil, natural gas, seafood, timber, and minerals. The Trans-Alaska Pipeline, which stretches over 800 miles, transports oil from Prudhoe Bay to the southern port of Valdez. The wildlife is incredibly diverse. From grizzly bears, moose, and wolves to bald eagles and orcas, Alaska is teeming with wildlife. It's one of the best destinations in the U.S. for nature lovers and wildlife photographers. 14. Native Alaskan cultures are vibrant and diverse. Alaska is home to over 229 federally recognized tribes, including Inupiat, Yupik, Aleut, Tlingit, Haida, and Athabascan peoples. Indigenous cultures, languages, art, and subsistence lifestyles continue to thrive and are deeply woven into Alaska's identity. 15. Dog mushing is the state sport. Dog sledding, or mushing, is more than a sport in Alaska. It's a tradition. The Iditarod Trail Sled Dog Race, held annually from Anchorage to Nome, honors the legacy of sled dog teams and showcases endurance and teamwork over nearly 1,609 kilometers. 16. You can still pan for gold. Gold mining helped shape Alaska's history. Today, visitors can try recreational gold panning in places like Nome, Fairbanks, and Juneau. Alaska continues to produce significant quantities of gold from modern mines as well. 17. There are fewer roads than you might expect. Due to its rugged terrain and massive size, Alaska has limited road access. Many communities are only reachable by boat, plane, or snowmobile. The state has one of the largest bush plane networks in the world. 18. Alaska is a prime fishing destination. Whether it's salmon, halibut, crab, or trout, Alaska offers some of the best fishing in North America. The state's commercial fishing industry is a critical part of its economy, and sport fishing is a major tourist draw. 19. Juneau is only accessible by boat or plane. Unlike most state capitals, Juneau, the capital of Alaska, is not accessible by road. Visitors must arrive by air or sea. The terrain is too rugged to support a highway connecting it to the rest of the state. 20. Alaska's national parks are massive and majestic. Alaska has 8 national parks, some of which are among the largest and most remote in the U.S. Wrangell Street. Elias National Park, the largest, is bigger than Yellowstone, Yosemite, and Switzerland combined. These parks offer untouched wilderness, majestic landscapes, and unparalleled solitude.